Hello peeps! Today we'll take a look at the best DC power supply in the market. I made the list based on my favorites, and I'm trying to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the up-to-date prices and more information about these excellent DC power supplies, you can check out the link in the description below. Let's get started. The Pyramid is one of the best DC power supplies in the market. Switching DC power supply features an AC-DC converter variable with a linear, regulated design. It provides reliable AC to DC power conversion with a constant source of DC voltage. It works with cellular phones, CB radios, scanners, ham radios, etc. This desktop bench power supply is equipped with a cigarette lighter and a power socket adapter for portable devices. This workbench variable power converter features a USB charge port and universal screw connection terminals compatible with a wide range of devices and equipment. It is used to test devices and equipment operation and performance. This PSU is equipped with a built-in electronic overload and short-circuit protection to ensure the operator's safety in any connected electronics. It has rugged and durable housing construction for safe desktop placement. The 382280 is a programmable 200-watt DC power supply with an adjustable 40 volts 5 amps output plus 2 fixed outputs, 5 volts 2 amps, and 3.3 volts 3 amps, and memory for 200 sets of repetitive product tests. It features high stability in low ripple and noise, a 0 to 60 second programmable overload delay timer, selectable constant current, constant voltage, and a bi-directional PC interface that allows setup and readback using virtually in any PC communications program. Also, it allows the setup and readback using Windows HyperTerminal or similar programs. The current setting can be 5 or more milliamps off when over 10 milliamps on my unit, so I don't know what accurate the current draw meter is. I imagine this would vary from unit to unit, however. The accuracy is good though, for a General Electronics bench PSU. The overcurrent and overvoltage features had worked flawlessly with a friendly beep to let me know when I did pass the limit I set. The TekPower TP3005T variable DC power supply is a compact linear type instrument suitable for both lab and industrial use. The digital DC power supply has a maximum output voltage of up to 30 volts and a current of 5 amps. It comes with rotary switches for setting up the voltage and current. With its reliability and versatility, it's an invaluable and indispensable tool for testing, science projects, etc. Ideal for labs, research institutes, and R&D facilities. A linear power supply design applies the AC voltage to a power transformer to raise or lower the voltage before being applied to the regulator circuitry, whereas a switch mode power supply converts the AC power directly into a DC voltage without a transformer. This DC voltage is converted into a high-frequency AC signal used in the regulator circuit to produce the desired voltage and current. The linear power supply is quiet, stable, durable, and heavy-duty with little noise, ripple, delay, and EMI. The switching type is the opposite. The LONGWEI DC power supply is just 2.7 by 8.6 by 6.3 inches in size and weighs less than 4 pounds. The comprehensive test probes and output cable with alligator clips are suitable for lab, home, school, electronic repair DIY, aging tests, and other needs. The voltage, current, and power are shown on a backlit for a digital LED display. They are specially built for scientific research, factory maintenance, product development, labs, schools, and electronic manufacturing lines, with excellent precision and dependability. This power supply's circuit board has SMT tech, high-grade components, a practical circuit design, and enough power output. This unit is relatively easy to use. The coarse and fine adjustment buttons make it more straightforward to modify. The rear switch may be used to alter the input voltage to 110 volts or 220 volts manually. UCTRONICS U6225 is a 35-watt DC buck-boost converter and stabilized power supply module that outputs a constant voltage DC 0.6 volt to 30 volts and constant current 0 amps to 4 amps with an input voltage of DC 5 volts to 30 volts. It's equipped with protection mechanisms and an LCD digital display. You can adjust its output by rotating the knob, and the changes will be reflected on the LCD. Based on the product's design, I would give it a 5-star rating on the quality of the material. The only thing I can find wrong with the product is that the connections for the power input and output wires do not hold 16-gauge wire very well. Perhaps I should solder the tips of the wire or throw a connector on it. But either way, it does seem like something where I should be able to put the large wire in the connections and have it secure if the screws are correctly tightened. The TekPower TP30SWI is a professional analog DC power supply for powering many ham, CB radio, and amplifiers. It has a highly stable, fused, high-quality switching power supply with 13.8 volts fixed DC power output and 30 amp max current. It has the main direct current output on the back of the unit and a snap-in output on the front. It has excellent line and load regulation, low ripple and noise. It is designed to minimize switching noise specifically for communication uses. When there is noise, you can use the noise offset knob to eliminate it. It has many safety protections, such as overheating and short circuit protection. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comment section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of the products featured today. Thank you.